Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case it would be Google Chrome, and let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button, but if you'd like to remove all of them with actually one click, if this list is so wide in your case, just tap on clear browsing data. And as you can see here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we can also remove saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you'd like to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So just tap on clear data if you're ready, and as you can see the history is empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything, starting from the browsing history, the list of visited websites, and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.